I love the obvious fucking, double speak comes from him. It's like before he got elected during the campaign, it was all about the do nothing Democrats were trying to subvert the fucking elections, right? And then fucking when he wins by electoral votes, not the popular vote, it's all a legitimate fucking election, right? Now the Democrats are trying to overthrow a fucking legitimate administration. When if the popular vote person would have fucking won the electoral votes, it would have been all fucking bad. It would have been fucking, illegal election, fucking voter fucking fraud, and all sorts of fucking shit.
Of course, yeah, of course. Fucking treason and shit.
Right.
But it's okay for him.
Meet that leave before we go. I couldn't hear what you were trying to say.
Hey, what's up?
Fresh maker.
We're in Area Heights. We're in State Line. Yeah. Apartment? Why? Oh. Oh. Cool deals. That's right, man. Well, I have $25 for weed.